Hello everyone, I'm Christian Damot from Technological Institute of the Philippines. Today I'm presenting you the proposed five-star hotel, AKAP. What is AKAP? AKAP is an alternative spelling for Yakap, which means embrace. What is a five-star hotel? A five-star hotel is a luxury accommodation that offers the highest standard of service, comfort, and amenities. The project. The proposal is to develop a resort hotel that will be sanctuary or of elegance and relaxation set amidst a stunning natural landscape and offering an exceptional experience through outstanding service facilities and amenities. Problem 7. The Tagaytay is one of the Philippines' premier tourist destination renowned for its cool climate breathtaking views of the lake and proximity to Metro Manila. Despite its popularity, there is a growing need for hospitality establishments that can elevate the region's tourism appeal by combining luxury, sustainability, and architectural harmony with the environment. Project goals. The project goals of my project is to design a luxurious five-star hotel resort in Tagaytay City that serves as flagship tourism destination, offering superior hospitality service, sustainable architecture solution, and harmonious integration with the natural beauty of Tallinn. The site is near with mid-rise condominium, commercial strip, and bus station. The site have 30,000 square meters and accessible with an 80-meter major road and 12-meter wide minor roads on both sides of the site. Site analysis. The site facing is that needs to cover natural ventilation and it also produce cold wind, especially when it's in site development plan. Existing road, entry and exit, parking entry and exit, and service road. Design concept. Design concept of my design is holistic architecture. Holistic architecture is a modern approach that prioritizes the comprehensive needs of individuals over isolated elements. It aims to achieve a harmonious and balanced design, resulting in both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional spaces. Design philosophy. Building art is a synthesis of life in materials form. We should try to bring in under the same hat not in splintered way of thinking, but all in harmony together by Albert Arito. This is my design consideration, accessibility, views, aesthetic, comfort, flexibility, safety, security, environment, circulation, orientation, and efficiency. Form concept. My form concept is a gesture of hug. So the translation is a form of gesture of hug, then transform it to a shape of two rectangular that curves and subtract it with subtract the shapes characteristics. My design has modern tropical architecture because the use of wide windows and open spaces, integration of greenery, use of light color palette, and use of curvilinear forms. Initial schemes, public space on the ground floor with the lobby restaurants and event halls while the private guests accommodation are located on upper levels for privacy and inclusivity. Expansive glass windows and private balconies bring the outdoors, in ensuring natural light and window and to maximize views of the unlike with outward-facing guest rooms and terraces. Floor plan. So this is my basement, which is only used for parkings. The lower ground, which is we have a second second level of public parking, and on the right side is private parking and the delivery. Upper ground floor. Upper ground floor is contains with lobby, offices, restaurants, retails, cafe, ballroom. Second floor. Second floor is where the gym and staff office located. So this is the third floor. We have suites and that facing Otaal Lake and deluxe room that facing the east side of the site. So same for the fourth to seventh floor. While on the eighth floor, the deluxe room is gone and only the suites is in there. It's always contained in 10th floor. The roof deck